They're hoping that by waiving patent rights, vaccines would become more readily available around the world. South Africa is one of those countries, but not everyone here agrees.
Demand is outstripping supply, not because of IP, but because of our inability to scale up production for global demands. So if IP access is a barrier, it may be a barrier in the future, but at this moment in time, these vaccines, in my opinion, don't cost a lot of money. They're between $10 and $35 US. And some of the issues are around a lot of countries prepaid for these vaccines. They got into deals with manufacturers long before the vaccines were found to be efficacious. So, and the companies are struggling to meet this commitment.
There are other concerns that experts have. Should intellectual property rights be waived?
Even if we do away with IP, how do we ensure that there is good quality vaccines made at scale?
Gray also wonders why calls aren't being made for the waiving of patent rights on COVID-19 diagnostic tests.
No one's calling for IP to be given up for diagnostics. And there's much more money in diagnostics because you do diagnostics over and over again. And yet no one is it seems also strange to me that we focus on a drug or a vaccine, but we don't even address the issue of diagnosis.
Whatever decision is taken by the WHO, many people in poorer countries still don't have access to tests or vaccines. And it's a moot point, analysts say, whether it has to do with waiving the patent rights or the lack of manufacturing capacity. What's needed, experts say, is public investment in manufacturing capacity so that those vaccines can be produced. And it's got to happen as soon as practical. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.